Today we're working on the 2012 Subaru Outback, and we've got a broken wheel stud. You can see it here. This is the lug nut that broke off. You can see what's left of the stud stuck in there. My wife took this in to have tires rotated, and either removing this or putting it back on, it was, I don't know, maybe over torqued, snapped off. And the tire shop doesn't fix these things, so luckily the parts are inexpensive. It's easy to do with standard tools. So today we're going to walk through that, and I hope it helps you. All right, car's in neutral, and now I can rotate this around and kind of get it in that position where I can hammer it out the back and get the new one lined up. Next step, we're going to remove this whole caliper assembly, and we need to get the rotor off. So time to put on some gloves. All right, so we need to remove this bolt here and this bolt down here. These are both 17 millimeters. This one's tough to get a socket on, because even if you can get a socket on it, your ratchet might hit this bolt. So these are fairly tight. So these would be a little bit of effort to get off. I'm going to try and position the camera so that we can capture some of this. No, it wasn't going to work. All right. Need the right leverage. Okay, got that one loose. This top one is a little more of a struggle usually, but we'll see if we can get it into a position where I can had to piggyback the two wrenches. Got it to move, but there we go. So got those loose. Now we will pull them out. Grab my little caliper hanger thing, little hook. These are kind of handy. All right. All right, got our caliper out of the way. Oh. Okay, so we got our stud lined up over here with this open area where there's no backing plate. So we're just going to try and pound that out with this, like a 4-pound sledge. See, these are the new parts. I'll put links to these in the description. I've got the lug nut and the wheel stud. You can also get wheel studs at your local auto parts store, a little cheaper. These are Subaru parts. Got them on Amazon. One thing I found is getting this new stud into the hub. This backing plate It's just kind of a little bit in the way back here, so you can just give it a couple taps. Give yourself enough clearance to get that guy in. So now we just need to pull this into the hub. And I've got this fancy little tool that I bought. You don't need one of these. You could do this by putting a bunch of washers around the new stud. I think I may have some video where I've done that in the past. But this has kind of a conical little cutout, so your lug will spin easier. There's a bearing on the back. So we're going to place that over here, put our new lug nut on there, and we'll tighten it up, kind of pulling the back of this all the way snug up against the back of the hub. A longer ratchet with more leverage wouldn't hurt. Almost there. That guy is in there. Alright, we've got our new stud. It's all the way in there. So now we just got to put the brakes back together. This job is done. So this little tool is like $9 on Amazon. I'm not sure if it's totally necessary. I think it made it a little bit easier than using washers like I've done in the past. I'll put a link to this in the description. You can consider it. Otherwise, you know, you need standard tools. You need metric wrenches, sockets, you know, a hammer, a couple hammers, and some inexpensive parts. You should be good to go, and don't put this off. You know, make it safe again, and hope this helped you. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.